Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how I do my violet Evergarden makeup. I'm Yukina Amy and welcome to my channel. So the first step for our makeup is primer, which is especially good to put on if you're going to wear makeup for a long time. Then we start putting some concealer and foundation. Actually my foundation is way too light, seems this potato got a little tan during the summer, so I'm only using the concealer to make the foundation match my skin tone. The foundation I'm using, not gonna say the name because I probably can't pronounce it, but I highly recommend it. It's definitely one of my favorite foundation I have ever used. It's waterproof and it works just perfectly. So if you're looking for a new foundation, I highly recommend this one because it's definitely worth the money. So after using my beauty blender to blend everything out, I'm going to smack some face powder in my face. Then I'm going to finish everything off with some finishing powder, but I only put it on the places where my skin gets oily, such as my cheeks, nose, forehead, and I don't know why, but I also put some on my chin. Then we came to create some new eyebrows, but honestly I don't have the material to give them another color, so this part is up to you how you will do it. What I'm doing is I put white eyeliner on my eyebrows, then some yellow shadow, and after that some gold shadow. Then we just blend it nicely out. So now we have come to the part where I'm gonna show you how you go from this eye to this eye. What you're gonna need is some light eyeshadow, which is going on your eyelid, and then some brown eyeshadow to your crease, which you then blend out. Now we have come to where we are gonna create a new eyeline. For me, it is easier to create a new line if I already have colored my natural line, so I always start with drawing my waterline with a black eyeliner pencil. Well, accidents can happen. With my liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna draw the line a little bit thicker and create a wing at the end. On my lower lash line, I'm gonna make a new lash line, which makes my eyes appear in a more dolly way. I use two shadows, gold and brown eyeshadow. Then I bend my eyelashes and after that I'm gonna put some waterproof mascara on, both on my top and bottom lashes. You can actually stop here if you don't have any lashes. Put your lenses in if you have a pair. You can also be right with a pair of top lashes and continue the look with some bottom lashes too. The look is up to you and what is to your liking and taste. Then we are done with the eye makeup. Let's move on to the face. I like to see violet with red cheeks, so I'm gonna put a little bit of pink eyeshadow on my cheeks and blend it out with my fingers. Then it's time to highlight. I'm highlighting my cheeks, chin, forehead, and with my fingers I'm gonna highlight underneath my brows and at the inner corners of my eye. You can also do it on your nose tip and your nose bridge after you have contoured, but I totally forgot about that. And as you probably have guessed, it is time to contour, so I'm gonna contour my nose, my cheekbones and my jawline. Then one of my bottom lashes were falling out of place, so I had to replace it again. And then the last thing for our makeup is the lips. I'm using a red lipstick on the center of my lips, and then I'm gonna use my fingers to smooth it out. But I still want the center to be red. Then I'm taking a light eyeshadow, the same eyeshadow I use as the base of our eye makeup, just to blend the lipstick out a little bit on the edges. And for the final top, I put some lip gloss on. And with that, the makeup is done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you use it, or at least it has given you some inspiration to another character. And I want to thank all of you who have followed me on my social medias. I have received so many lovely messages and comments on my violet pictures. It has been so fun waking up every morning to read all of your lovely comments and messages. And if you have any questions, or if there was something you didn't understand in this video, feel free to leave a comment. I will try to answer it as good as possible. If you want to see more from me, feel free to subscribe, or you can go and check some of my other cosplay photos on my other social media accounts. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, I hope we see each other again in my next video.